Hey beautiful friend, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you disable built-in apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, open the settings page. In the settings page is open, scroll all the way to the very bottom, look for the apps or application button, tap to open it and wait to open the page. Here you can see all of the install pre-install app listed there. Simply first tap on the three-line menu button, then choose the show system apps is currently enabled, then hit OK. After that you can see all of the system built-in apps listed there. Scroll through the page and find the exact app if you want to disable. You can scroll through. For example, this video I am disabled the Chrome built-in app my Android phone, so simply tap on their name to open the next app info page. After that, look for the bottom menu bar. You can see three different options. Simply select disable, then tap on disable app again, and you have successfully done. Now back to your home page, open the app door. This time no longer the Chrome app listed there. This means you have successfully disabled it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Also share it with your friends.